Subscribe to Easy Learning TV for more fun educational videos and songs. Hey there! Today we're in Minecraft. Whoa! Did you see that? Steve needs our help. A spider is chasing him and he's in big trouble. We have to make a potion. Fast! Steve says we need a purple potion. What colors do we need to make purple? Hurry up! Time's running out! That's right, red and blue. Let's mix them together. Yes! We made a purple potion. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, throw! Yes! We defeated the spider. Great job! That was close! Uh-oh. Steve needs our help again. Oh no, a creeper! We need green this time. What colors do we mix to make green? Think fast. That's right! Yellow and blue. Let's mix them up. We've got the green potion. Oh no! It's gonna explode! 3, 2, 1. Boom! We stopped the creeper. Wait a minute. What is that? A chicken jockey? We need orange this time. Quick, what colors do we need for orange? Red and yellow. Perfect. Pour them in. 1 orange potion. 3, 2, 1. Throw. Yes! We saved Steve again. Look, Steve is so happy we helped him. Today we learned red and blue make purple. Yellow and blue make green. And red and yellow make orange. See you next time in Minecraft. Subscribe to Easy Learning TV for more fun educational videos and songs.